Hey folks, great news for those of you on the East Coast. We have a new home port and it's Philadelphia. Norwegian Cruise Line is coming to Philadelphia for an entire season, April to September 2026. You're going to have both 7 and 9 night cruises down to Bermuda, which includes a stop in Charleston, and you're going to have an 11 night going up to Canada and New England in September. So now you have another no-fly option out of the East Coast. Philadelphia starting April 2026 from Norwegian. And we're going to have a special announcement about one of these cruises very shortly. But folks, if we can help you in any way with any of your cruises, cruising out of Philadelphia or anywhere else in the world, just reach out. Where's WalterTravel.com. Have an awesome day, everybody.